All right, welcome to JH Backcountry Health. Today we are going to take you through how to do a banded lat pull down. This is a great progression from the banded scapular depression exercise. If you haven't started with that one, you can also find that video on our YouTube. But really this is working on your scapular control, scapular depression. We see a lot of people coming in with neck and shoulder pain that's often related to postural issues with that shoulder being elevated and anteriorly rounded forward. So this is a great exercise for that. Tyler's going to show us how to do this exercise. Is going to kneel down on the mat. And in this case, we've just attached a band to a pull-up bar that we have overhead. If you don't have a pull-up bar at home, you could just tie a knot in the end of a band and close it overhead into a door frame. So Tyler's really going to start by focusing on that scapular depression, right? He's going to pull his shoulder down and back towards his back pocket. Can you show us that motion a couple times, Tyler, so you can see him pulling his shoulder down and back? And that's really going to engage this big lat muscle that comes off his low back and attaches up on the humerus. Once he's got that pattern dialed, he's going to go ahead and pull that shoulder down and back, and then he's going to row his hand all the way to his chest. And he could do something like 10 reps of this. And as he does those repetitions, he's going to keep that nice stable shoulder down and back. So he's working from these mid-back muscles, and he's keeping this upper trap and levator scap that we commonly find to be hypertonic and really irritated. He's going to keep those relaxed by maintaining that good scapular position. So you could do this on both sides. Nice and slow, pick a band resistance that challenges you but allows you to keep that good scapular positioning and form, and you should feel it working right here, kind of below your armpit and below your shoulder blade. You could do a few sets of up to 10 repetitions with a 2-minute rest in between, or whatever we prescribed you when you came into the clinic to see us. All right, thanks for watching. That's a banded lat pull down.